country don't hard. Even staff for FCMB no get MB to come online again. Now so one policeman go kill person for Port Harcourt, go shoot thief for Port Harcourt. Then sack the man now. If they go kill thief when his colleague they rule us.
M.O.P. Sleep of Talk.
They play. Use 2 minutes of my time. Bring it down. How on a day now? How on a day? If una dey enjoy the show, muna clap for yourself, I beg. This Lagos. Muna clap for me. Na night boss I use con Lagos, so muna clap oh. This one na Lagos, and only online it is sweet oh. Offline Lagos traffic wey full am. Baba, na so na dey survive for this Lagos. Island to island 32,000. How na dey run am? You know say na so I go book boat oh. From island to mainland. I no know. I kill the driver now. They Chris. They go and ride. I don't know what when I gather they laugh. What's funny about this country? When I gather they waste time. Baba, the country hard. I call Lagos. DJ, I call Lagos. So who send me? I go price boxer. They say boxer 12.5. I be Anthony Joshua. Wait till the box. Eh? And this Lagos, you know, I don't realize since Tinubu enter, nobody don't die. No, that one just died. I'm going to concern me. He won't spoil the joke. I be one help him. The boy like, don't they do jokes? I forget to be photographer before. I beg clap for Utibola property. I beg. Yeah, that's funny joke. My brother, since Tinubu enter, nobody don't die. You no. You know how much be bullet to kill person. Now that's one policeman go kill person for Port Harcourt, go shoot thief for Port Harcourt. Then sack the man now. If they go kill thief when his colleague they rule us. Baba, this country don't hard. Even staff for FCMB no get MB to come online again. My brother, this Lagos, when they try you, DJ, I be man snap with my bag. Now you dey into construction, I dey try build my career. Snap with DJ, I beg, snap with that. When I clap for him, when I clap for this man, I beg, clap for him now. Who they snap? Hey. You know what I want is an collect loan? You go laugh, me be like the crack on joke. Don't snap. Baba, to clap now, I be problem. When I do this joke, then I leave. That comedian, they go there, that MC, they say time up. No try for Port Harcourt though. They kill MC before they kill show. My brother, where are they? My brother, this country na scam. Country where person they study electrical engineering for school where no get light. Our country be this. And he does joke at the thing so. My brother, see, let me do this. Make I tell you, they say no time, I don't want to impress anybody. Tinubu never impress us. You understand? My brother, country don't hard. Apart from comedy, I'm a Yahoo boy. I never pick. Then pick me. I say, man, go learn Yahoo. Yeah, the idiot was supposed to teach me work. Say, man, bring 2 million. I get 2 million, now I'm going to learn Yahoo. He dey craze. Very stupid guy. I got the shots for the guy. Say, Papa, help me. Say, man, I know the shots. Say, now him, your guy, you speak. I know that's why I say, we won't learn Yahoo. We pay 2 million, and then they realize, and I be maga to yoga. That one no verse me. One of my guy. The guy do Yahoo 4 years. You know people. You know say the guy do is Michael Jackson. They work. If they use don't die, they try convince the living. They chat client say, send money. Client say you're dead. They say I want to do burial. Idiot. My brother. Now you know what thing that happen for this country. Now before a person they buy car. Baba, you know say before people they buy car, drive car. Highest 3 years you don't dash person. Now people they drive car they turn to another car. One of my guys buy Corolla last year, drive and Corolla can't they expand. Turn to Sienna, I paint and sell them as Benz. That one no verse me. One guy buy 4 runner, drive and so 3 runner die. My brother, if you be thief, travel go abroad, you go make am. All the thief, please listen. If you be thief, can you wave? I beg volunteer to be thief. This last joke. Be thief, I beg. Baba for abroad, thief get pride though. For abroad, now you go see where thief enter person supermarket, thief bread they go. Now the guy at the class say, Joe, you don't not pay for the bread, man. See where thief they shout. Damn it! I'm paying for no bread, nigga. Thief, oh. They say, how come they don't want to pay for bread? He said, the US government gave the floor for free? How come we're going to pay for bread? Damn it, bro. He said, Coco. He said, Coco, if you talk about take some butter and pizza. Thief, oh. When I listen to the rush, this guy go carry this in, carry and go, nothing go happen to her. Now one idiot. See this thing finish, carry enter a woman shop, collect bread, they go. The woman tell her, say, my pikin never give me money. He say, I'm paying for no bread, nigga. The woman tell her, say, my pikin do it sweet, yo. He said, if you talk more, I take some granite. I do man the advice and say, they say, fly when they hear one, I for gravy, they end, do. Mona they laugh, your hearing don't fall, na idiot. Mona laugh. It is when I play. Carry the bread and granite, go. 2 weeks later, they lap this guy for keke come. In belly don't big pass his head. And then the beg man say, please forgive this young man. I'm out they speak, say, don't forgive me. Shit. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. That was my time. I love you guys. Bassey.
Alright. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.